How Do Cells Protect the Body from Disease by Maria Jose Neira. The immune system, which is made up of special cells, proteins, tissues, and organs, defend people against germs and microorganisms every day. The immune system is the body's defense against viruses, infections, and other invaders. The organs control the production and the process of maturity of certain defense cells, such as the lymphocytes. Bone marrow and the thalamus, a gland situated above the heart and behind the breastbone, are so-called primary lymphoid organs. The bone marrow produces defense cells. Also, the secondary lymphatic organs are the place where the defense cells do their actual work. These organs include the lymph nodes, the spleen, the tonsils, and other specialized tissues in the mucous membranes of the bowel. Now let's find out how the immune system actually works. When antigens are detected, several types of cells work together to recognize them and respond. These cells trigger the B lymphocytes to produce antibodies. Once produced, these antibodies stay in the person's body, so that if his or her immune system encounters that antigen again, the antibodies are already there to do their job. Antibodies can recognize an antigen and lock onto it, but they are not capable of destroying it without help. That's the job of the T cells, which are part of the system that destroys antigens that have been tagged by antibodies or cells that have been infected or somehow changed. Antibodies can also neutralize toxins produced by different organisms. Lastly, antibodies can activate a group of proteins called complements that are also part of the immune system. Complements assist in killing bacteria, viruses, or infected cells. Now we will talk about immunity, which humans have three types: innate, adaptive, and passive. First, we will begin with innate immunity. Everyone is born with innate or natural immunity. It is a type of general protection. As you can tell from the chart, there's a physical barrier and its internal defense. The second kind of protection is adaptive or active immunity, which develops throughout our lives. Adaptive immunity involves the lymphocytes and develops as people are exposed to diseases or immune against diseases through vaccination. Lastly, we have passive immunity, which is borrowed from another source, and it lasts for a short period of time. As shown in our chart, the mother's breast milk will give a baby temporary immunity to diseases that the mother has been exposed to. Next, problems of the immune system fall into four main categories: the immune deficiency disorder, the autoimmune disorder, the allergic disorder, and cancers of the immune system. The immune deficiency happens when a part of the immune system is missing or not working properly. Some people are born with an immune deficiency, although symptoms of the disorder might not appear until later in life. The allergic disorder happens when the immune system overreacts to exposure to antigens in the environment. The substance that provokes such attacks are called allergens. Next, we'll talk about the autoimmune disorder. This immune system mistakenly attacks the body's healthy organs and tissues as though they were foreign invaders. Lastly, we'll talk about the cancers of the immune system. Cancer happens when cells grow out of control. This can include cells of the immune system. Leukemia, which involves abnormal overgrowth of leukocytes, is the most common childhood cancer. Lymphoma involves the lymphoid tissues and is also one of the most common childhood cancers. Although immune system disorders usually can't be prevented, you can help your child's immune system stay stronger and fight illnesses by staying informed about your child's condition and working closely with your doctor.